Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lore Style. My name is Loream. If you don't know me yet, please subscribe here, turn on the bell and keep watching. Today we are gonna do an easy makeup to go out. You don't need to use foundation, you don't need to use too much things on your face. It's so simple and for every day. So let's see how I did it. Thank you for watching. First of all, we use the primer to fix very good the makeup, the concealer. Put on your eyes and on the rest of your face. Brush your eyebrows and then apply the concealer under your eyes. Apply the concealer up and down of your mouth, then on your nose, and mix with your brush or your sponge. Now we need to put our powder, compact powder, on our face, exactly under my eyes. I'm applying the color more white, and then I'm applying another compact, a little more dark. Yes. Well girls, I hope you remember this part, how to make your eyebrows. I have a video here. If you don't see yet, please go and check my videos. Make sure you leave your eyebrow very natural. Then apply the blush on your cheeks. This blush is a little bronzer, so you can look very, very natural. Okay girls, now it's time for the eyeshadow. So this is typical or daily makeup. We are gonna use just this eyeshadow, which is like brown but not too dark, and we start to apply in this part of the eye like this. Something very, very natural. Now we put a bit of concealer in our eyes, in the center of the eyes. Mix very good. Now girls, we applied this color, which is more white or yellow, in this part of the eye like this. This is a natural makeup without foundation. We don't need too much makeup, so it's good. I love it. We mix it here a bit. Now we use a bit of highlighter below of the eyebrow. Here's this lipstick I bought from Catrice Cosmetics. Look, it's amazing. It's a nitrate lipstick. It's lip balm, hemp and mint. So it's green, I know. But if you put on your lips, it will change the color. It depends of your skin. So I'm gonna show you how it's looking. It's small and you can put in your handbag. I don't have lipstick, I use this one. And look, it's turned like pink, something like that. So the same you can use on your cheeks. If you don't have blush, you can use this. Let's see. Okay girls, we arrived to the best part, which is the highlighter. Apply up your cheeks and then on your nose. Once you are ready to shine, don't forget to use the mask. Make sure you will have large eyelashes. And then you are ready, girl.
Well, girls, that was the makeup for today. As you could see, it was so easy to do. You can do it to go out with your friends, to go out to do your things. Thank you very much for watching me, and please, if you have another suggestion, another question, you can leave me below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Lore Style, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram Lore Albertaxi. I will leave you below. And thank you very much. I send you a big kiss. See you soon for the next week.